Hey, thanks for joining us today. This is Skip with Santa Barbara Stone Masters, and I'm really excited today about the opportunity to share with you all what we do on a job site. This particular project is a house in Santa Barbara that was remodeled, all brand new installed stone, various types, marble, limestone, concrete, sandstone, and we are prepping it, meaning cleaning it, and we'll be sealing it tomorrow. So today I have fun taking you on this project, and you get an opportunity to see what the heck we actually do. When you look at the shop videos, Marble 101, Sealer 101, we talk about what we do, but here I get to show you what we actually do. So come on in, and we're going to have a little bit of fun. Okay. This gets me so excited because when I take a look at the stuff we're going to be working on, we're going to make a huge difference. Here we are in one of the bathrooms. Look at this marble. Unbelievable installation. We have the countertop, the shower, beautiful bathroom. And what we're going to be doing is cleaning it. And what do you mean? Geez, it's a brand new installation, Skip. What do you mean cleaning it? Well, despite the fact that it was covered with ram board and or plastic, you get a lot of stuff going on here in a house renovation, right? You get a little bit of paint overspray, you get some grout, excessive grout, you get some maybe a little bit of a scratch here and there, all inadvertent. But that's why Santa Barbara Stone Masters gets hired, because we make it look perfect. Let's go to another area of the house and I'll show you some more of what we're going to be doing. This is the coolest thing. We have beautiful marble floors, right? This is, again, Santa Barbara, renovated home, but they kept some of the original stuff that was with the house. Look at this fireplace. We got a flagstone hearth. We have copper that's been here. We have concrete. It's a little too, so the customer wants us to clean it a little bit. This flagstone is going to come back, and then once it's clean, we're going to seal it. Concrete will clean up. It's going to be a beautiful look because we want to get a little bit of this soot out of here, but leave the character. It's just awesome. Other things we're going to be doing, we're going to be cleaning the countertops and the backsplash all around in this kitchen, and then the floor, prepping it. This is where all the love happens, right? So proper protection is going to give a lot of long-term viability for water and oil repellency, because this is where all the love is going to happen, especially when they start lighting a fire in there. It's going to be awesome. Next part of the house. Let's go. Okay, same type of stone that we saw in the master in here with regards to motif and the decorative inlays. Same marble in the showers and same marble on the countertops. One thing I want to talk to you about though, however, is we're not just cleaning and getting out of Dodge, right? We're cleaning and sealing. That's the whole thing. We're prepping for our sealing tomorrow. All floors with the product that we're going to be using, which is dry treat stain proof, will come with a 15-year manufacturer's warranty for water and oil repellency. All the countertops that we're going to be doing in this home will come with a 25-year manufacturer's warranty for water and oil repellency. We'll be using Stain Proof Plus. It's the best stuff on the planet, and that's a one-time application. We're an accredited dry treat applicator with a class 1 and 2 or a sealer application accreditation with them. So it's just so exciting to be able to do this stuff and give our clients long-term protection for this beautiful, beautiful investment they have made. How about we go check out the guys? I don't know if you can hear that noise in there, but my guys are working. What do you say we sneak up on them and just give you a shot of what they're actually doing? Is that okay? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Okay, that was so exciting for me. Thanks for joining me. This is what we do. One of these jobs, we'll have the crew back in to shoot what we actually do with regards to polishing and honing all types of stone restoration work. That's what we do. It's who we are. We're the best in town for that stuff. I'm really excited to be able to showcase what we do on site, why we do the things we do, the products that we use to give our customers the best long-term protection for their very significant investment in all this beautiful stone. I was really excited about this house because I think this is one of the coolest remodels I've ever seen. It's awesome. I'm very thankful that we had the opportunity to come here. Anyway, we're going to go to another site and we're going to do some more video at another home. So today, it's like I'm in my element. I get to go see these houses and show you where we're at, what we do, what kind of stone it is. So you ready? Let's go.